How to turn off Spotlight and Snap Map notification on Snapchat. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first guys and you open Snapchat. Then when Snapchat is opening, you go up and open your profile. Then you go to settings here, then click, then go and look for notification here. Click, and then you go down and you will find Spotlight and Snap Map. You will turn off this option by clicking in this blue icon like this, and now it will work with you guys. So I hope this video is useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.